Every December, you keep telling yourself, oh, next year is going to be my year. Next year is going to be my year of financial freedom. But my dear brother and sister, how is next year going to be different when you keep doing things that keep you broke over and over and over again? My friend, carry your chair and come here. Let me tell you something you don't know. I'll be very honest with you, yeah. I have this friend that earns around 300 to 400k. And anytime I bill him, he's always like, Ada, I don't have money. And in my mind, I'll be like, okay, maybe he has budgeted his money for the month. Now, next month, he should add me to his budget and he'll tell me, okay. Few days later, he chatted me up and I was like, Ada, should please borrow him 10k. 10k as in how that when they pay him back, he'll give me. I was like, it's not this way that I was doing parara for his girlfriend on WhatsApp that would not allow us to hear what. He's not coming to beg me for 10k. To cut the long story short, I did not give him. Nobody should judge me. I did not give him because me, man, I've already planned my own money. I did not give him. Now, let's talk about the real reason why your salary cannot even save you, even if you earn more. This broke cycle starts with a habit, a routine. You get paid, you feel rich, you now do small dorime on top that your broke girlfriend had. Your money will now finish and you start waiting for the next payday. Hell, Allah. This is the circle that most people find themselves in. Maybe they don't really spend it on their broke girlfriends, but they shall spend money emotionally, not intentionally. This is not a money problem. This is a mindset problem. You've been programmed to believe that money or your salary just solves your problems. It just pays bills. Nobody ever taught us that your salary can be used to fuel your financial freedom. Yes, it can be used to do it. You can use your salary to learn a skill. You can use your salary to start a business. You cannot fix a broke mindset with a bigger salary. Instead, you can fix it by unlearning some of the habits that have been keeping you broke. And what are those habits? Spending without a plan, refusing to track where your money is going, spending to impress people, spending to impress people, and always blaming the Nigerian economy for your current situation. So before December ends, make sure you learn financial awareness. You need to know where your money goes. You need to know what drains your peace of mind. You need to build habits that protect your money. Because if you master control, you can survive in any economy. But if you keep allowing your money to control you, you will keep starting from zero every damn month. See, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. That's exactly why I created this ebook. Inside this book, I shared practical and easy systems that would help you to plan, save, and multiply your money. It will teach you how to make your money work for you even when you're sleeping. Even if you're just earning 30k, 50k, it will teach you stuff. So make sure you get that book. It's very affordable. Comment the word salary. I'll send it to you. So before December comes, don't just hope your life will change. Learn how to change it. Because if you don't learn financial awareness, next year is going to come and you're going to keep repeating the same cycle that is going to keep you broke throughout 2026 again. Olomaje, say Olomaje. Please don't forget to subscribe to my growing YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm still growing here, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.